Hi everyone. Welcome back to our channel.
Hello, I'm Judy, and this is John. You are listening to J&J English Cafe.
So, grab a cup of coffee and join us for a chat.
Today, we're going to spend a few minutes learning something useful together.
I'm ready. Let's get started. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the cafe. I am John.
And I am Judy. It is a beautiful day to learn something new. How are you today, John?
Oh, I am great, Judy. I am reading a very interesting book about the law of attraction. It sounds like magic, but I am not sure if it is real.
Well, it is not exactly magic, but it is a very powerful idea. Many people use it to change their lives every single day.
Can you explain it simply? I want to know how it works. Is it just about thinking?
Sure. Think of your mind like a magnet. The law of attraction says that your thoughts bring things into your life. If you think positive thoughts, good things happen. If you think negative thoughts, you might have problems. It is about the energy you send out to the world.
So if I think about a new car every day, will a car just appear in my garage tomorrow morning?
Nice try, John. I wish it was that easy. It is not just about wishing. It is about how you feel and what you believe deep inside. You need to feel like you already have that car. You need to be happy and thankful right now, not later.
Oh, so it is about energy and feelings. If I feel happy and successful, I will find success in my life?
Exactly. Like attracts like. That is the main rule. If you are always complaining, you attract more things to complain about. But if you are grateful, you get more things to be grateful for.
Do you know any famous people who use this? I need a real example to believe it.
Actually, there are many. Do you know Jim Carrey, the famous actor from the movies?
Yes, he is very funny. I love his movies. Did he really use the law of attraction?
Yes, he did. Before he was famous, he was very poor. He had no money and no job. But he wrote a check to himself for $10 million.
$10 million? Wow, that is a giant amount of money for a poor man.
It is. He wrote on the check for acting services rendered. He put a date on it for several years in the future. He kept that check in his wallet for years. He looked at it every day when he felt sad.
Did he really get the money? Or was it just a dream?
It came true. Just before the date on the check, he got a role in a movie called Dumb and Dumber. Do you know how much they paid him? Exactly $10 million.
That is amazing. My mind is blown. So he visualized his success every single day.
Yes, he used his imagination. He often drove his old car up a hill and looked at the city lights. He imagined he was a big star and that everyone loved his work. He could feel the success in his heart.
Well, I want to try this too. I want to be much better at English. Sometimes I feel nervous when I speak.
That is a great goal, John. We can start right now. First, stop saying English is hard or I am bad at English. Those are negative thoughts.
Oh, I see. So what should I say instead?
You should use affirmations. Say things like, I am a confident English speaker, or every day my English is getting better and better.
Okay. I am a confident English speaker. I feel a little bit better already.
Good. Now, imagine you are talking to people easily. Feel the joy of a fun conversation. When you feel good, your brain opens up and you learn much faster.
I like that idea. So, positive thoughts lead to positive actions, right?
You got it. When you believe you can do it, you see more opportunities. You might meet a new friend to practice with, or find a great book that you enjoy. You become a magnet for learning.
This makes me feel very excited. I will start my positive thinking today. No more complaining about grammar.
That is the spirit, John. Remember, your mind is very strong. Use it to build the life you want. It takes practice, just like learning a language.
Thank you, Judy. This was very helpful. I'm going to write my own check for success tonight, maybe for 1 million followers for our podcast.
Oh, I like that goal. Good luck, John. I believe in you.
Thanks, Judy, and thanks to everyone for listening. See you next time. Wow, that was a very interesting topic, Judy. I hope our listeners enjoyed it too.
I hope so. If you like the vibes here at our cafe, please subscribe and give us a 5-star review.
Also, don't forget to check the show notes for the vocabulary list and today's key phrases.
Thanks for stopping by J&J English Cafe. We'll see you in the next one.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.